Boy, was it a cold day today. I want to show you something pretty cool. You see the movement? Those are the clouds, the puffy cumulus clouds, but notice what's not moving. Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, all the way up to the Chicago area. That's the snow and ice pack. We're 17 right now with a wind chill of 3 degrees in the Knoxville area. Brutally cold air in place, and it just continues to get colder. This is the coldest air of the season already, and we're just going to get colder tonight. 19 right now, Tellico Plains, 9 in Crossville, 13 in Wartburg, 9 in Oneida to Jamestown as well, 11 up in Harlan County, Kentucky, 12 degrees in Sneedville, and again, 17 in Knoxville, but pretty breezy conditions out of the north and west. We've seen some 20 to 30 mile an hour gusts, 50 mile an hour gusts across the Smokies, so it feels close to 0 here at 7 o'clock at night, -4 in Oneida to Allard, Fairfield, Glade. Check out Newfound Gap, Bo. -23 degrees is the wind chill right now. We continue to fall off very quickly temperature-wise into the teens, single digits. Winds will come down a bit, but any sort of wind is going to make it feel even colder. So these are wind chills. 7 o'clock in the morning, walking your dog, heading off to work or school. -9 in Oneida, 2 degrees above 0 in La Follette, 3 above 0 in the Knoxville area, 10 Gatlinburg to Newport, -1 Morristown to Sneedville. Again, only 5 to 10 mile an hour winds in the morning, maybe gusts up to 15 across the plateau, higher elevations of the Smokies. So not much of a wind chill, but then look at what happens through the day. 20 to 25, maybe even some isolated 30 mile an hour wind gusts, very comparable to what we saw today. We'll be quite a bit sunnier. We'll only top out in the mid-30s in the Knoxville area, but the bottom number is the wind chill. Starting out feeling like near 0, then the teens, then the low to mid-20s, and that's the best we do for tomorrow. So let's start with southeast Kentucky. Stearns, Kentucky may not even get to freezing tomorrow. Harlan County as well, 33 degrees, pretty close, briefly above freezing. If we even make it. Jamestown, another place that may not make it above freezing, 35 for a high in Jellicoe. Let's take you over to the mountains. Chimney Tops only topping out around 23 degrees, 37 for your high in Newport. Again, saw the sun icons across the board, but it will be pretty breezy and temperatures cool very quickly once again tomorrow. 11 degrees tomorrow night, Jamestown, 15 Barberville, 18 in La Follette, Maynardville, and Oak Ridge. We at least attempt a warming trend, at least the upper levels get quite a bit warmer than what we're seeing right now. Mid to upper 30s Wednesday, Thursday. Winds will be much lighter Wednesday and Thursday. Clouds will start to build Thursday, and especially Friday. I think we're mostly cloudy. Look at the high Friday, right around freezing. That shows that we're starting to see another reinforcement of Arctic air. So cold air in place, the coldest air of the season. And while not necessarily any colder, it will snuff out any chances of that warming trend Friday into Saturday, with that Arctic jet continuing to funnel back in, giving us another reinforcing shot of cold air. So close to 40 by Thursday. These are highs, mid-20s. I think some places may not get out of the low 20s for your Saturday afternoon. Lows are even colder, so single digits tonight. We start to get back into the 20s Thursday morning. Saturday, Sunday, we may have some places north of Knoxville in the single digits waking up for your Saturday and Sunday. What about precip? What about snow? Not looking likely, at least through Friday. This is how far I've taken it. Not much moisture in the atmosphere at all. We could see a few very weak clipper systems bring us some flurries across the higher peaks of the Smokies. Main story is just the brutally cold air. We are weather aware tonight because of the coldest air of the season. Average high is 49 right now. Next 7 days, maybe even the next 10 days, Bo, I think we're going to be well below that. It's going to be hard to even get. Our highs are going to be about what our average lows should be for this time of year.
You know, earlier today in one of our newscasts, you showed us Miami was 83. Like, it's the only warm spot in the country right now.
Let's take a vacation there.
So let's think about that. All right. Thank you so much, Theo. Hey, still to come on the 7 while the cold has